You guys, I have these beautiful bracelets. These are authentic AAA grade stones, gemstones. Here I have red jasper. They come in this beautiful box, in this beautiful pocket here. This is an extra large because I have extremely big wrist. It has a little otter on here, a little charm, that's an otter. Every bracelet purchased, $1 goes to the Otter Fund in California. So this red jasper means I am brave and I won't give up. This is going towards my diet. So they have little cards in here describing exactly what type of intention your bracelet symbolizes. And the chakra is root sacral. And these, you gently use a damp, soft cloth. Avoid prolonged exposure to sunlight and water. And these were 3 separate bracelets I chose, and they're all for protection and health. This black tourmaline is for protection. The red jasper is for strength. And the chakra for this is root. So this is going to go for protection over the food that I eat during my process here, right? And the last one I have is a beautiful tiger eye. All of them have the little otter charm on them. You put them together and they just look so beautiful. And this tiger eye says, I am a warrior. Strength and protection. And the chakra is solar plexus and root sacral. So I am a warrior. I am safe and protected. I am brave and won't give up. So when you purchase these, a 20 or 30% discount. These bracelets come in different sizes. If you have a very small, dainty wrist, you could get a small. You can get large, extra large, medium. And I love the fact that I can wear these without them squeezing my wrist. I have this bracelet I purchased, but it's so tight. It leaves marks on my arm, so I don't wear that as often. But this, I can wear this all the time. This is so comfortable. So comfortable. And if I had a shirt on, I could put it over my shirt even. But these are so beautiful. So you guys, go ahead. Purchase your Otter Spirit. If you're into beads, you're into chakras, this is definitely the product for you. I love mine.